this ever happen to you?
Take EJ juice.
How does it work?
Well, in order to understand how it works, we have to understand muscle contraction.
So, the function of a sarcomere is to make up skeletal muscle. This muscle type initiates all voluntary movement.
The four steps involving muscle contraction and relaxation are: number 1, the skeletal muscle must be activated by a nerve, which releases a neurotransmitting chemical. Number 2, nerve activation increases the concentration of calcium in the vicinity of actin and myosin, the contractile proteins. Number 3, the presence of calcium permits muscle contraction. Number 4, when a muscle cell is no longer stimulated by a nerve, contraction ends.
Single nerve cells in the spinal cord, called motor neurons, are the only way that the brain is connected to muscles. When a motor neuron inside the spinal cord fires, an impulse goes out to the muscles on an axon, and that is how your muscle knows to move.
Oh hey, so there's actually different parts of a sarcomere that help with the muscle contraction. So these sarcomeres are made up of microfibrils that can be stacked. Thick and thin filaments, or what's called actin and myosin, work the muscle, and during contraction, the myosin thick filaments grab onto the actin thin filaments by forming cross bridges. This results in myosin heads bending inward and sliding the actin over the myosin, shortening the sarcomere and causing contraction.
Okay. So, one very important ingredient in EJ juice is calcium. Calcium triggers contraction by reaction with regulatory proteins that, in the absence of calcium, prevent interaction of actin and myosin, and the two different regulatory systems are found in the muscles and help it work.
Oh, I didn't see you there. Let's talk about how ATP works in muscle contraction. The source of energy that is used to power the movement of contraction working in the muscles is ATP. The body's chemical way to store and transport energy. However, ATP is not only stored in the cells, but also is stored in muscles when contraction starts. The making of more ATP must start quickly.
Now that you know all of that, buy EJ juice.
Wow! Thanks, EJ Juice!